Hello and welcome. It's good to have you here again. This is question 21 of the WAEC 2017 and the question goes thus. The diagram shows a circle center O if the angle ZYW is equal to 33 degrees. Find the angle ZWX. Okay. This is the particular angle that we are talking of. So we want to find this angle. Let this be x. Okay, good. Then we must also quickly note some fact about these angles. The angle ZYW, that is this angle, is also equal to the angle ZXW, that is this angle, because they are angles in the same segment and they are equal, and which means that if we have ZYW as 33 degrees, if this is 33 degrees, it means that this also will be 33 degrees. Okay, good. And let us also state another fact. Another fact is that the angle WZX, that is this angle, is equal to half of the angle at the center. Okay, and the angle at the center is 180 degrees. So we divide that by 2, you have the angle WZX as 90 degrees. Okay, so now I don't know if you can now see that we have a triangle, which is triangle WZX with two angles right in there. So with these two angles, we can find this angle, the angle ZWX, and this is going to be 90 degrees plus 33 degrees plus x degree equal to 180 degrees, which is the total sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, so if we add this up, we have 123 plus x equals 180 degrees. If we subtract 123 from both sides of the equation, we are going to have x equal to 57 degrees. So the answer option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.